Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most exclusive tours of luxury homes in the USA and showcase properties that redefine elegance, comfort, and design. Today we are taking you inside a luxury home in the United States that represents the perfect balance between modern architecture, timeless style, and world-class functionality. This home is not just a place to live, it is a lifestyle experience crafted for those who appreciate sophistication and the finest details in every corner of their living space. The exterior of this luxury home makes an instant impression with a grand facade that combines glass, marble, and natural stone elements. Designed to reflect contemporary American architecture, the house stands as a landmark of both beauty and innovation. Expansive landscaping frames the structure with perfectly manicured lawns, palm trees, and outdoor lighting that highlights the property's elegance even at night. A large driveway leads to a multi-car garage that fits seamlessly with the overall modern design while ensuring functionality for a luxury lifestyle. Once inside, the entryway welcomes you with soaring ceilings and a custom-designed chandelier that immediately sets the tone of grandeur. Open concept spaces flow effortlessly from one area to another, creating an inviting and spacious atmosphere. The living room is styled with designer furniture, large windows that provide abundant natural light, and a fireplace that adds both warmth and charm. High-quality marble and hardwood flooring run throughout the home, combining durability with style. The kitchen in this mansion is a dream for chefs and families alike. Equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, a massive kitchen island, elegant cabinetry, and quartz countertops, it serves both functionality and beauty. The design ensures that whether you are preparing everyday meals or hosting a grand dinner party, this kitchen delivers an unmatched experience. Adjoining the kitchen is a formal dining space with floor-to-ceiling windows giving breathtaking views of the garden and pool area. Bedrooms in this luxury home are retreats of comfort, each designed with individual character but maintaining a cohesive theme of luxury. Spacious layouts, walk-in closets, and spa-inspired bathrooms elevate the living experience. The master suite stands out with its panoramic views, private balcony, and an attached bathroom featuring a soaking tub, rain shower, and designer fixtures. Every element of these spaces highlights attention to detail and a dedication to delivering true luxury. The entertainment and leisure features of this home are no less impressive. A private theater room with state-of-the-art audio and visual equipment provides the ultimate movie night experience, while a large game lounge adds fun and social engagement. The TV lounge is another highlight with modern interiors, plush seating, and a warm ambiance perfect for family time or hosting guests. Stepping outside, the backyard showcases one of the most attractive parts of this home. An infinity swimming pool blends seamlessly with the horizon, while the surrounding deck is furnished with luxury lounge chairs and shaded seating areas. This outdoor space is not only designed for relaxation but also for entertainment, with a built-in barbecue area, outdoor kitchen, and beautifully landscaped gardens that make gatherings unforgettable. The technology integrated into this luxury home ensures convenience and security. Smart home systems allow full control of lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security through simple mobile applications. Energy efficiency and eco-friendly features are incorporated into the design, making the house not just luxurious but also sustainable for the modern lifestyle. This mansion reflects what American luxury living truly stands for, combining world-class design, materials, and craftsmanship with comfort and innovation. It is a property that offers both beauty and functionality, ensuring a lifestyle of elegance and peace. At American Dream Mansions, our goal is to showcase homes like this one that go beyond expectations and bring inspiration to viewers who love architecture, design, and luxury living. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more of the most incredible homes in the USA, then stay connected with us. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode of American Dream Mansions, where luxury living becomes reality.